Hey everybody, Scott Sachs in Washington, D.C., bringing you a fall market update today. But before we do, if you're a seller, click on my seller link for information about selling your property. And if you're a buyer, click on my buyer link for a no-hassle buyer consultation. And now, back to our subject. Hi everybody, Scott Sachs here in Washington, D.C. with a fall market update report to give you guys an idea of what's going on around the area. We are right in the middle of the fall market now, which is very busy. Coming out of August and Labor Day weekend, you've got a lot of families and folks that are going on vacation, getting their kids back in school, and then they commence the either listing process or the buying process after that Labor Day holiday. And we saw that this year. A lot of new inventory that hit the market coming out of that Labor Day weekend, but you also saw a lot of buyers coming back into the marketplace, and so a lot of that new inventory was absorbed. So we're left with still historically low inventory with what's under essentially a 3-month supply, and really 6 months is probably the average norm of what you want to see, where there isn't a differential between that seller buyer. Like it's certainly a seller market in most of the neighborhoods of Washington, D.C., Bethesda, Chevy Chase, Arlington, into Falls Church, and those areas of McLean. As you go a little bit further out, you are still seeing a little softening in areas of Potomac, Great Falls, and even out into Vienna a little bit, Reston. But that's also indicative of the price point as well. Anything under 750, even 800 is still extremely popular, particularly given that interest rates are so low, that borrowing power is powerful, and you're seeing a lot of people that are stepping up their basis a little bit to get that property. Anything over about 1.314, you have seen some softening in those markets that I mentioned. But the positive note is there are a lot of the lenders out there, because interest rates are so low, have offered some really great jumbo loan packages to folks that are starting to help that upper range market in that 1.6, 1.7, 1.8 price point. So if you have additional questions, let us know. It's a great time to be out looking, particularly to lock in something while the rates are still low. The next Fed meeting is going to be December, and they are anticipating a rate at that time, particularly now that they did not raise. I think it's almost a fail-safe that they're going to raise. So if you want to protect yourself from what could be 1/4 to 1/2 point rate increase potentially, now's a good time to get out, start looking, and there is some good product out there. So depending on where you are, call us. Happy to meet with you for a free buyer consultation. If you're a seller and you're moving, you want to downsize, this is a great time to do that as well. You've got a lot of buyers out there, and like I said, because of the interest rate, you're able to get that higher price point that you're looking for. So visit us, scottsachs.com, and we'll be happy to assist with all your real estate needs. Have a great day.